Last video we got this configured from Ansible. We're now going to bring the cores up and add some links to them as well. All of these are going to be /30s because we're going to implement some interesting routing here just for the sake of fun, I guess. And then we're going to put a layer 2 connection up between these two switches for another path. So let's start with that. On, let's call it 0, 1 to 1, 0 to 1, 0, 1, 1 to 1, 1. Then we want to add 1, 2 down here, 1, 2 to the second link, 1, 3 to this one, 1, 3 to this one. Port 1 will go to the management. Port 1 here will go to the management. Okay. Hope you guys are keeping track because this section is going to start getting very messy with its links. That's just going to overlap. So let's just try and put some addressing in here. Everything is in the point-to-point connections are going to be here in /30s. So let's just go and duplicate here. Okay, so dot 1 is over there. Dot 2 will be over there. Dot 5, dot 6, dot 9, dot 10, dot 13, and dot 14. Gig 02 and gig 03. Okay, let's add some configs first on our main breakout routers that's going to go down because we haven't configured those interfaces yet. So we need to add this on BR1, 2, and 3. So interface 2 and interface 3. The IP address here is 10.255.0. Dot 1. I think this one was dot 9. Yes, dot 9. And then the other one is 5 and 13. So we'll just copy this section quickly. Dot 5 and 13. let's start this along. Start. Oh, that's pretty bad. That's never going to work. This is /30s. Console and console. Okay, that looks like it went through fine. Let's run this next one. Okay, that was also fine. Okay, let's get the management ready for this. Ready. Okay, enable. Okay, IPs. Switch. External switch is SW1, 4 and 5. Oh, no switch port. Then add the IP address. Okay, do right. Now we need to amend our inventory. On our network devices, we have got external switch, so ext-sw1. Okay, that is pretty much done. let's copy this, copy, paste, rename to ext dash sw1. Now we're just going to add some stuff here. So this is ext dash sw1. That's correct. That one is correct. This is not going to be the same. That will be roughly correct, except for the IP. This is also not correct. And it is 4. Okay. Save. Copy, paste, rename to. So this is for 2. Five. Save. Okay. Next up. Oh wait, that is not. Let's first just bring the thing. 4 and 5. Okay. Yes. Admin. Enable. Admin. Enable secret admin. Okay, there you go. Yes. Okay, do right. And now we're going to run this against the next 2 routers. External switch 1. Because you might notice this might start getting a little different because this is now a switch. Inside the iOS interfaces, I need to now start adding modes to these. So this technically is mode layer 3. To show IP and brief. Okay, so port 01 to port 02 is 2 and 14. Two and 14, and 6 and 10. Okay, there's another thing that I'm going to show you too. It's also a bit of a thing to make your troubleshooting easier. This won't work right now for obvious reasons. So we'll just let that run for a second and I'll show you why. We need to go into the device and cd, just demonstrate /etc hosts. Okay, so sudo 3 inventory That is a problem. Let's quickly check what happened. Do show IP int brief. Okay. O2 is that. Here is a problem. So this must be a problem in our script in S switch 01, where we did not set the interfaces correctly. That happens. Okay, we'll fix that quickly. Okay, so here is 10255. This is 01 and 02. 01 and 02. And GI 0/0. That's not right. Why is there 12 there? There should only be a dot 2 there. Okay, that looks better. Let's look at the switch 1 and then switch 2. Okay, that looks fine. That looks good. Do ping 2.1. Okay, so that was correctly configured. 14 and 13 is the other one. That's correctly set up. Do ping .5 and .9. Okay. Routing interfaces are up. Now we need to sort out our layer 2 interface. Gig 1 1 and gig 1 0. This is layer 2. Just do 0, 1, 1, and 1, 0. And 1. Okay, so now we need to, because there's going to be a trunk link, we need to do something a bit more special. We need to change the encapsulation from a CLI perspective. So we're going to go and call a different module this time in here. And its name set interface encapsulation .1q. Cisco.ios. I think it is ios_config. Lines are equal to switchword mode trunk encapsulation.1q. Okay, that's good. Then underneath lines, I want a parent, and that is going to be int interface range g. Probably better to do something like this. Gigabit Ethernet 1/0 to 1. Okay, that looks good. Okay, there's another section we need to do, and this is the, because we're setting up a port channel obviously here. So after this, we can put in dash name, set up layer 2 port channel LACP. Port channel 10. Let's just call it port channel 10. I'm going to give it some members, and member is mode active. Let's give it another member of 011, this whole section needs to come in here. Okay, now I want to do another version of this, but slightly differently. And it's got to do with the port channel that we've created theoretically here. So copy, and instead of saying this, I want to say switch port trunk allowed VLAN all. Okay, that looks fine. Copy. Save. Now. Show Ether channel summary. Okay. Okay, let's go fix that quickly. So I'll move this one into this side. Copy. Okay, let's try again. Spelling mistake. Okay, let's first go have a look at what's going on here. Module I have an idea that this one I might need to run twice or change around. Check. Let's go have a look at this. I need this to be that. Oh, I'm missing a whole module here. This is why. Okay. So let's go in here and we're going to go and look for I'll do interfaces with a trunk. So underneath this, I'll do interfaces, control find trunk. Allow VLANs. Yeah. So I need one that looks like this, just a little bit different. One, 0, and 1, 1. And it is mode trunk. Okay, so allowed VLAN is, let's say, from 4,000 to 1 to 4,000. Where native VLAN is 1 right now, we do not want to prune anything. .1q trunk. Just copy this actually across, it's faster. Okay. show int status. Let's see what's going on with this. One, those are set to trunk. So the thing that's failing is this one. So copy port channel unassigned. Conf key. Switch port mode trunk. That's the one it's complaining about. So maybe we do this. We create another version of this in between here, and instead of talking to Gigabit Ethernet, we do that. Okay, that looks like it's better. Show ether channel summary. Okay, it's a down port channel 5 to begin down. Passive, there the port channel comes up. And that's exactly what we were wanting to see. Okay, so now just do a show int status. We've got 3 routed up links, we've got 2 cross trunk links, and these 2 that are down has not been configured yet. So there they will still come. I think that is it for this one. And we'll see you on the next video.